Imagine a life where money works for you even while you sleep. Welcome to our channel. In this transformative video, we uncover the strategies and techniques behind generating passive income through the power of the internet. Learn the art of online money making and explore the world of affiliate marketing, where you can earn commissions by promoting products and services you believe in. Get ready to unlock the secrets to financial freedom and create a life of abundance. Join us on this journey as we reveal the blueprint to building a sustainable income stream and opening doors to a future filled with possibilities. Understanding passive income. Passive income is the key to financial freedom and the dream of earning money while you sleep. It is a concept that has the power to transform lives and open doors to a world of possibilities. But what exactly is passive income? Passive income refers to the earnings generated with minimal effort or ongoing involvement. Unlike active income, which requires continuous time and effort, passive income allows you to make money in a more hands-off manner. There are various forms of passive income, including rental properties, stock dividends, royalties, online businesses, and affiliate marketing. Each offers its own unique advantages and considerations. By understanding the principles of passive income, you gain the ability to create financial stability, generate wealth, and gain the freedom to live life on your own terms. It's a path that requires dedication, knowledge, and strategic decision-making, but the rewards can be immense. Understanding passive income is about recognizing the potential to create income streams that work for you, even when you're not actively working. Exploring online money-making opportunities. The rise of the internet has opened up a wealth of possibilities for earning money online. From side hustles to full-fledged businesses, the digital landscape offers numerous avenues for generating income. One popular online money-making opportunity is freelancing. Whether you possess writing, design, programming, or marketing skills, freelancing platforms provide a platform to offer your services to clients worldwide. Another avenue is e-commerce, where you can create and sell products online. Platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon allow you to set up your own virtual store and reach a global customer base. Additionally, online tutoring, content creation on platforms like YouTube and blogging, creating online courses, and participating in online surveys or market research are among the many other online money-making avenues available. Exploring online money-making opportunities allows you to tap into the digital economy, leverage your skills and interests, and potentially generate income from the comfort of your own home. Strategies for maximizing passive income. Maximizing passive income requires strategic planning and a proactive approach. Here are key strategies to boost your passive income potential. Diversify income streams. Relying on a single source of passive income is risky. Diversify your investments across different assets such as stocks, real estate, or online businesses to mitigate risks and increase overall income potential. Continuously educate yourself. Stay updated with market trends, investment opportunities, and evolving strategies in your chosen income streams. Optimize existing ventures. Regularly assess and optimize your existing passive income streams. Improve marketing strategies, streamline operations, and identify areas for growth or efficiency to maximize returns. Leverage automation and outsourcing. Utilize technology and delegate tasks to free up time and focus on scaling your passive income ventures. Reinvest profits. Instead of solely relying on passive income for personal expenses, consider reinvesting a portion of your earnings. Reinvesting in assets or business growth can accelerate your passive income generation over time. By implementing these strategies, you can enhance your passive income portfolio and create a solid foundation for long-term financial success. Building a sustainable income stream through online money-making and affiliate marketing. Creating a sustainable income stream through online money-making and affiliate marketing requires a strategic and focused approach. Here's how you can build a solid foundation for long-term success. Identify profitable niches. Research and identify profitable niches within the online market. Find areas with high demand and less competition, allowing you to target a specific audience and maximize your earning potential. Build a strong online presence. Establish your online presence through a website, blog, or social media platforms. Provide valuable content, engage with your audience, and build trust in your expertise. Select quality affiliate programs. Choose reputable and high-converting affiliate programs that align with your niche and target audience. Promote products or services that you genuinely believe in and offer value to your audience. Create compelling content. Develop engaging and informative content that resonates with your audience. Incorporate SEO strategies to improve visibility and organic traffic to your website or blog. Continuously track and optimize. Regularly track your affiliate marketing performance, analyze metrics, and optimize your strategies. Adapt to changing trends, experiment with different approaches, and refine your tactics to maximize conversions and income. By implementing these strategies, you can lay the groundwork for a sustainable income stream through online money-making and affiliate marketing. I hope you will like this video. Make sure to subscribe this channel for more interesting videos like this.